Hi, welcome to India First Robotics and our product portfolio presentation. Here I'm going to show you about different products that we have and the products that we manufacture. RoboChamp, this kit is basically for students from 6 years to 12 years, and in this robotic kit the students are able to understand the use of mechanical as well as the electrical components. Here as you see, these mechanical elements, building elements are used for making different types of models and based on the STEM concepts, the science, technology, engineering and mathematics concept. Here we are using a small remote controller which is connected through RJ45 to the controller of the robot, and the motors are also connected through various jacks. So this helps the students to use the robot the way they want, the maneuver the robot the way they want. We have also given the gears as well as wheels, wherein the students will be able to make a wheeled robot with a gear mechanism. This is an excellent kit where the students from 6 years to 12 years can experiment, learn, and execute their designs and also the various STEM concepts. Advanced RoboChamp kit is for 10 plus year old students who can learn electronics and the basics of electronics and learn the art of making various electronic circuits. Here with this robot, the students will be able to create various applications and various projects with the help of the electronics which is given in this kit. The Mini Advanced RoboChamp kit is also a kit where the students will be able to conduct various electronic experiments and also with the help of the transformer. Here, as you can see, we have given a transformer along with the capacitors and various other electronic components. This is a fantastic kit where they will be able to conduct their robotics experiments. Champion Robot Kit is an excellent robot kit again for students from the age group of 12 plus years. There is no age limit for this kit because this kit contains an Arduino microcontroller, it contains various sensors and a lot of building material, the mechanical building elements. With the help of these, the students will also be able to make various kinds of robots which can move, which can also sense, and they can also be the direction of the robot can also be maintained by the student, can be controlled by the student. Here, as I said, you already have Arduino microcontroller, and there is a set of two Omni wheels which can be attached to the robots. The Omni wheels are basically attached so that the robot can move in any direction that they want. The motors, the DC motors that we are using over here are also of high caliber and high capacity, wherein the students can control the motion and the speed of the robot. So all these elements can be tried and tested and experimented for various projects. Champion Light Robot Kit is again a low cost, excellent kit where the students will be able to conduct a lot of experiments using a nano microcontroller. Here, as you can see, that we have given a chassis, which is a ready-made chassis, and in this chassis, the student will be able to mount the motors and the wheels as well as other components, and will be able to try out their initial experiments and learn robotics. Challenger Robot Kit is a mother of all kit, I would say. Here there are a lot of mechanical building elements and servo motors are also provided in this. In addition to the DC motors, Omni wheels are there. Gears are also provided. As you can see, there are 6 gears provided in this set. Here, with the help of the gears, the students will be able to make crane or will be able to make any kind of a mechanism which can be used with along with the gears. The servo motors are also provided, which can be either connected to the gears or anywhere that the kit permits or the model permits, and accordingly the student will be able to make various kinds of experiments. We have also provided Omni wheels, two regular round wheels, and two caster wheels. So with the here the creativity and imagination of the student doesn't have any limit. You can dream anything and you can make your dream robot or dream model with the help of this robot. Bluetooth robot kit. Here in this kit, we have given a Arduino microcontroller along with a Bluetooth sensor. With the help of this, the students will be able to conduct various kinds of experiments which are Bluetooth application based. So, with the help of Bluetooth sensor, the students will be able to develop their own various uh, experiments like a controlled robot movement or a home and office automation system or a Bluetooth mobile application, anything that you wish. DTMF robot kit, again, this is for 14 plus year old children. Here, these kits are basically small kits with a lot of huge capabilities. Along with this, here we have given a microcontroller, Arduino microcontroller, and a DTMF sensor, DTMF kit, wherein the student will be able to perform various applications with the help of their mobile. So from your mobile, you have to just give a call on this kit, and this you can control this robot with your voice or with the buttons on your robot. So these kits are basically provided so that the students will be able to conduct this experiment you by not spending a lot of money. Again, gesture control robot. This is again a robot which which can be controlled just by your gesture. So it is a wireless gesture control robot, and you will be able to move the robot forward, backward, left, right, whichever way you want, with just a movement of your hand. So you will have a wireless controller in your hand, and which will be talking to the controller, which will be talking to the receptor on the robot, which will be installed on the using the Arduino microcontroller, and you can, with the movement of your hand, you can control the robot. RoboStar light following robot. Again, this is for 12 plus year old kids. You can see that there is a PCB which has got all the circuit diagram onto it. It is printed, and there are other components also. So you have to just mount those components over here, and you have to use this robot. You have to make this robot kit. You have to make the PCB along with the components. Now here you will need to solder these components onto the PCB and mount it on the chassis. So accordingly, then you will be able to move this. So here you learn how to mount the components on the PCB and how to solder the components on the PCB. RoboStar line following robot. Again, this is the similar kind of a robot, which is a line following. The earlier one was light following. This is a line following robot. You have to just draw a line and it will move along the line when you construct the robot. Again, here you are given a PCB, which is a pre-printed PCB. The circuit diagram is shown over here. Accordingly, you have to just install the components and you have to solder the components. Once you do that, you can do the installation and you can move the robot on the line which is already drawn. So you can draw the line whichever way you want. Just remember that you have to have a black line, a thick black line, so that the IR sensors will be able to sense the line. Nano drone, again, this is for 12 plus year old students. Uh, uh, this is a drone with a 3D printed body, or it's a very flexible body. So how much ever time you crash the drone, the body will not break. We have also given some extra fans also for you, so that you will be able to install those fans if the existing fans are broken. And here you will also be able to fly the drone, you will be able to flip the drone, you can do videography, you can do photography, anything that you want. So this nano drone, though the name is nano, it is really a jumbo, and it can handle lot many things that you want, and you can program it the way you want. So let's fly the drone, friends. Thank you very much. This is all about our India First Robotics product portfolio, and I hope you guys have liked the product portfolio, and we look forward to your orders and your your connections with us. Thank you very much.